Welcome back to another awesome video.
Today we're going to try to repair this old horse clock. So this was sort of a part of my childhood. It was sitting on the television set in my grandparents' den living room when I was a young kid in the early 80s, and also on a newer television set in the late 80s. I don't think it ever worked during my entire lifetime, but today we're going to try to fix it. What do you think of that?
Questionable.
It looks like the back just came off with a couple of little nuts that were just hand tight, and then the clock came out the front. Yeah. All right, so here's the motor. Wow, that was pretty easy. So the big question was the motor working? Was it just dirt, or was it an actual burned out motor? I didn't know. If I turn the motor, the second hand is moving. Let's look up power and see what happens. All right, here goes, applying power. Oh, it turned a little bit, look. See if we can get it to go further. Look, it's going.
Yep, the second hand is moving.
All right. Try to restart it then. No, I guess it needs a little help. Whoa, there you go. Oops, yeah. Obviously, I don't know how to show myself. Found a couple of very helpful videos I'll put links to, which told me how to get the hands off without damaging it and generally just disassemble it. And the motor would actually go by itself without all the weight of the clock, so it just needed some oil, I think, to free it up. Look at that. Well, without the weight of the whole clock mechanism, it started by itself. I happen to have some of this Liberty oil, and it seems to be doing the trick. 110 according to the current phone time, 110 on the horse clock. Let's see if it keeps up. It's a 152, still keeping perfect time. I think this thing is gonna work. What do you think? How'd you like a horse clock on your mantle?
Interesting.
When my grandparents died and my mom and her sisters were dividing up their stuff, I didn't want anything practical like a car or a washing machine. I wanted stuff from my childhood that I remembered, and this horse clock was one of those things. So my mom got it for me. There were a bunch of different clocks similar to this. If you just Google it, based on the only name I found on it, Sessions, they made these horse clocks. Some guy's trying to sell one for over $1,000 on eBay. I don't know if he's going to get any takers. They seem to vary in price. But it's just a standard electric clock with some horse decorations around it. Kind of a cowboy theme. I assume it dates from the 50s or 60s. I ended up letting it run the rest of the day, and it kept perfect time because I guess it is synchronized with the frequency of the power. I probably will put a new cord on it. I don't know if I trust it to leave it plugged in 24/7, but it's not overheating and it seems to work.
We'll see you next time for another awesome video.
Bye.